Welcome to today's video by Forex Without Noise. Today, we'll be talking about broker. 9 shocking truths you must know before choosing the best Forex broker. As a beginner, this is the most important topic. Most beginners lose money in Forex not because their strategy is bad, that's just the honest truth, but because they choose the wrong broker. So many brokers actually manipulate the market price, delays withdrawal, and of course, I will review the 9 shocking truths about Forex brokers that nobody tells you as a beginner. If you are planning to trade Forex in 2026, ensure to watch this video to the end because it's going to save you some dollars. Choosing Forex broker looks simple, just at the surface, but you see tight spread, huge leverage bonuses, and flashy ad promising easy profit and all. Believe you me, beyond the marketing, there are hidden realities that can actually, cost you or destroy your trading journey. I'm being honest with you. That's why you need to pay good attention to this video and, of course, watch it to the end. The forex industry is very competitive. There are so many brokers out there. Every one of them are competing for the market to get client and all that. But believe you me, if you don't take out time to really understand so many things about these forex brokers, you're definitely going to fall prey. So many beginners who do not know what to look out for, maybe they just thought about brokers is all about regulation and all that. Believe you me, it's beyond regulation. Okay, it's beyond regulation. In this video, I'll break down the truth about forex brokers, what really matters and what doesn't matter, what is pure marketing, and how beginners can safely choose the best forex broker without falling into their traps. Just sit down tight and take note. I would advise you, if you're a beginner, take notes. Truth number 1 you need to know: not all regulated brokers are safe. Many beginners think regulation automatically means safety. That is false. Some brokers are regulated in a very weak jurisdiction where investors' protection is almost non-existent, and this happens mostly in the third world countries. Always check the quality of regulation, not just the presence of it. Truth number 2 you must take note of: high leverage. Believe you me, as a trader, this thing will kill you. You see this word called leverage? It's a very big trap that can destroy your trading journey as a beginner. High leverage looks attractive, but it is one of the fastest ways to blow an account. Brokers pushes high leverage because it increases trading volume and losses. Beginners should focus on risk control, not just leverage size. Please, you need to take note of this. Truth number 3 you need to take note of: you see bonuses here and there. So many brokers will promise you to deposit a certain amount and get a 50% deposit and all that. You see those bonuses, believe you me, they are hidden trap. They are hidden trap. When you see brokers with this promise of deposit $1,000 and get extra bonus, please, you have to be very, very, very careful. The bonuses you see are not free money. Brokers are not going to dash you money because you are depositing money to trade with them. Believe you me, you can never withdraw those bonuses until you meet some. In fact, they are not. Some of these brokers won't even allow you to make withdrawals, until you meet some certain conditions, which sometimes you will end up blowing your account because you're trying to meet some conditions and all that for you to make withdrawals because of the bonus. I would advise you, trade with your money. Forget the bonuses. Forget it. You don't really need it. The bonuses are nothing but traps. Number 4 you need to take note of: spread. Low spread mean nothing if execution is poor. Okay? Forget this promise of low spread, this and all that. But if execution is poor, because the truth is that most of these brokers are here to rip you off. They promise you low spread, they promise you this, they promise you that, but then their execution is really poor. Low spread is nothing when execution is poor. Execution quality is more important than advertised pricing. This is the most shocking one, the truth number 5. Could you believe that most brokers actually trade against you? Like when you place a sell, the brokers will place a buy, and when you place a buy, they place a sell. You have to do extensive research before you actually choose a broker. And if you're interested in trading with the broker I'm trading with, you can check the link in the description section. Truth number 6. This is another problem: withdrawals. okay, withdrawals. A good broker should, when you deposit money in your broker account, if for whatever reason you decide not to trade again, let's assume you deposited this minute, you should be able to withdraw it in the next minute without any issues and complication. But you see some brokers, when you deposit, withdrawals will become an issue. Okay, this is your money. Actually, you are free to deposit and withdraw anytime you like, but some of these brokers will hold your money. Before you use any brokers, make your research. Okay? Be sure that your money is safe with them. Another thing you need to look out for is platform instability. Some of these brokers, when you place trade, the system will freeze. Maybe they are MT4 or they are MT5, it will freeze. And sometimes they do this intentionally. And before you could know what is happening, the trade might have gone against you. Most especially when you just place the trade and you've not inserted your TP and your stop loss. It will freeze, and before you know it, it will wipe off your account. So you have to be careful about this. Truth number 8, customer support. Customer support. Before you deposit your hard-earned money into any broker, check how responsive their customer support is. Customer support can either make you or mar you. A good broker should have good customer support system that should be able to, address your issues whenever you reach out to them. Truth number 9. I know you don't want to hear this. Best Forex broker won't make you rich. Remember that brokers are actually out there to make money as well. They are into business. So what is going to make you rich is how knowledgeable you are, how smart you are, how you understand risk to reward ratio, how profitable your strategy is, how disciplined you are, not really the broker itself. No broker is going to make you rich. In fact, go and search anywhere in the world. No broker will just dash you money for free because you are trading with them. No broker is going to make you rich for depositing money in their platform. The only thing that will make you rich is how disciplined you are, how good is your strategy, how much of risk to reward ratio do you understand. So the above are how you can look out for the best broker if actually you want to take your trading to the next level. Take our time to go through this video again. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you need any of our assistance, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will read it. And if there's any way I can be of help to you, I will definitely give you my support. Okay? And if you want to trade with the broker I'm trading with, the link is in the description section. And if you're interested in trading with automated system, we have the best automated system ever that you can leverage on. Okay? We have automated system that trade good, known as VTM Elite. We also have automated system that trade boom and crashes. So if you need any of the system, check the link in the description section and order one for yourself. And do well to subscribe to our channel. If this is the first time you are visiting our channel, do well to subscribe. Of course, we do release educational video like this, and of course, share with your friends and your loved ones. See you in my next video.